Hello guys, I'm back with a video and it's a skincare video. As everyone knows, it's winter now and your skin gets really dry. So yeah, I know I've been inactive for like 2-3 months, but that's because I had some personal work pending to do. So yeah, now I'll be more active. So let's get our video started. And for that you need a scrub, and for scrub all you need is a little bit of milk and baking soda. It's only 2 minutes of yours to really exfoliate your skin. Okay, now baking soda removes all of the impurities, dirt and blackheads in your skin. This on your skin like a mask and keep it for 5 minutes and then wash your face. That's to the end of the video. And yeah, after your 2-step skincare routine you really feel soft and moisturized. And yeah, do follow me on my socials and support the channel.